Christy. Now we have a 7 News crime tracker, something that's happened to a number of people I know. They've told me that they've been hit by this crime. Upstate law enforcement agencies say trailer thefts are becoming a big problem. Last year in Spartanburg County alone, more than 700 were taken.
Yeah, and Tom, I also checked with Greenville and Anderson counties, and they say that hundreds were stolen there as well. But even when deputies find that property, there's really virtually no way to track down the owner.
And that's because the law doesn't require registration.
All right, but investigators that I talked to are very much hoping that in 2016 that will change.
And you can see these marks right here.
All Jeff Stallings has to show for his $15,000 trailer are the drag marks thieves left when they hauled it away last week.
Ours was registered, but the majority of them aren't. And so there's this culture in South Carolina that it's really easy to steal trailers because you're just not going to get caught, most likely.
Some of them I know have been here at least 2 years.
Sergeant Henry Beck showed us more than a dozen they've tracked down but can't get back to their rightful owners. That's because South Carolina doesn't require registration for most trailers that aren't commercial or campers.
Citizens in our state are losing property that can never be recovered, and they're also purchasing stolen property that are being brought in from other states.
North Carolina and Georgia both require trailer registration, as do most states in the nation. 2 bills up for debate next year could change South Carolina law, but there's some pushback from people who don't want to pay an extra registration tax.
Do you think that the people who don't support the registration may not realize that it could help them in the end if their trailer goes missing?
Well, and I think that this is something, as we have the debate, that will come out. But I can understand how it really puts a burden on law enforcement.
Until a law is passed, one way to protect yourself is to write down and store the vehicle identification number. Also, put a special marking on your trailer so that if it is stolen, you can put that on the police report.
I was told they went on down the road and you can see the tire marks where they turned right, got on the interstate, and they were gone.
If anything, Stallings wants you to know trailers are an easy target.
If I can help somebody else from getting their trailer stolen, it at least makes me feel a little bit better about this whole situation.
We'll keep you posted on if the law is changed. Meanwhile, lawmakers say any registration tax would likely be under $25.